Hi boys and girls, welcome to Toys. Today we are going to be using this mix and measurement set from Learning Resources to learn about measuring. This set is actually going to be part of two videos. This first video we're going to be learning about measuring, and the second video we're going to be scientists by creating different cool experiments. So let's get started. So these are all my measuring tools and my activity cards. So for my first activity, I'm going to need all these tools. I'm going to need my red cup, that is 1 cup. I'm going to need my orange cup, that's a half of a cup. I'm going to need my yellow cup, that's 1/4 of a cup. And I'm going to need this bowl, that's 4 cups. And I have a special ingredient called my unicorn rice. First, I'm going to fill my bowl with my special rice. Now I'm going to fill my yellow cup with rice, and I want to see how many yellow cups does it take to fill my orange cup. So let's see how many yellow cups does it take to fill in my orange cup. Here's 1. Is it full? Not yet. So let's do another one. Level it out. Now this is my second yellow cup. Is that full now? Yes, it is. So it took 2 1/4 to fill my half of a cup. Now let's see how many orange cups does it take to fill in my red cup. Let's predict. How many do you think? All right, let's find out if you're right. Here's my first orange cup. Let's fill it up all the way to the top. Okay, now I'm gonna pour 1 orange cup into my red cup. Is it full? Not yet. So let's try another one. Okay, here's another one. Is it full? Yes, it is. So how many orange cups did it take in to fill my red cup? That's right, 2. So that means 2 halves equals 1 whole. Now let's do a challenge. How many yellow cups will it take to fill in my red cup? Let's predict. What do you think? All right, let's find out if you're right. Here is 1 yellow cup. Not full yet. Here is 2 yellow cups. Not full yet. Let's level it out. There you go. Here's 3 yellow cups. Is it full? Not yet. Here's 4 yellow cups. Is it full? Yes, it is. So it took 4 1/4 to fill in my whole cup. On to my next activity. First, I'm going to fill my purple cup. Now I'm going to fill my blue cup. Now let's look closely at the cups. Do you think the blue cup has more or less or the same amount of water as the purple cup? All right, let's find out. Now I'm going to pour my water from my purple cup into this bowl. And if you look closely, see what number that is? That's the number 4, because there are 4 cups in this big bowl. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's see which line my purple cup stops at. Which line did it stop at? Here's my first line, here's my second line, so 2 lines. So that was 2 cups. So there were 2 cups of water in my purple cup. Let's see how many cups are in my blue cup. Now let's do my blue cup. Let's see what line it stops here. How many cups was that? Let's see. 1 line, 2 lines. That was 2 cups also. So what did you learn? Even though they look different, they had the same amount of water. They both had 2 cups. Two cups here. And 2 cups here. Let's start our next activity. Let's fill my 1 cup with water. Now I'm going to place my red cup on top of my scale. And I'm going to put a little mark on my scale where the arrow points. Now let's make a prediction. I'm going to put my special rice into my red cup. Do you think it will weigh more than, less than, or the same as my cup with water? All right, let's see if you're right. Fill it all the way to the top. Level it out. Here's my mark for my water. Let's see now. So now, does my cup of water weigh more than, less than, or the same as my cup of rice? That's right, the same. Let's try with something else. Now I have some little mini rainbow marshmallows. I'm gonna pour my mini marshmallows into my red cup. Let's see if my mini marshmallows weigh the same, more than, or less than my cup of water. What do you think? All right, let's find out. Here's my cup of mini marshmallows. Here is my scale. Let's see. So what do you see? Does it weigh the same, less than, or more than? Here's my mark for my water. That's right, it weighs less than. So what did you learn? That's right, even though I use the same amount of mini marshmallows as my rice, as my water, my mini marshmallows weighed less. Because why? That's right, they're super, super light. On to my next and last activity. First, I'm going to fill the bowl to the first line with my special unicorn sugar. Let's mix it up. So let's fill my special sugar to my first line. Let's predict how many yellow spoonfuls of sugar will fill my orange spoon. My yellow spoon is half a teaspoon, and my orange spoon is 1 teaspoon. So what's your prediction? How many yellow spoonfuls of sugar will fill my orange spoon? Let's see if you're right. I'm gonna fill my yellow spoon. Here it is. Is my orange spoon full? Not yet. Let's see how many more. Let's fill my yellow one again. Level it out. Here you go. Now, let's see. Now it's full. So how many yellow spoonfuls did it take to fill in my orange spoon? That's right, 2. That means 2 halves equals 1 whole. Now I still have my orange spoon, which is 1 teaspoon. Now I have my red spoon, which is 1 tablespoon. So let's predict. How many orange spoonfuls of sugar will fill my red spoon? All right, let's see if your prediction is correct. Have to level it out. Here's 1. Not full yet. Let's do another one. That's 2. Not full yet. Now it's full. It took 3 teaspoons to fill in my 1 tablespoon. So 3 teaspoons equals 1 tablespoon. Now for a challenge. How many half teaspoons equals 1 whole tablespoon? What's your prediction? All right, let's find out if you're right. that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It took 6 half teaspoons to fill in my 1 whole tablespoon. Well, I hope you liked learning about measuring. If you did, please give us a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe right over here. And don't forget, in my next video, we're going to become scientists and do some really cool experiments with all these measuring tools. Well, see you next time. Bye!